Israel has turned their back against the Lord and worship Baal. And the Lord was sending justice to this land by sending Elijah and giving them the message of judgment.
Masakit ang ulo mo? Nung nag-menopause ako, nagutom ako eh.
Sing hallelujah, my Jesus is alive forevermore. Sing hallelujah, my Jesus is alive. Happy birthday to you.
Enjoy your day. May God bless you always.
Tara! Wishing you a birthday that's beautiful, bright, and blessed. Ayan! At saka isipin mo. Nakita ko kanina.
Magbasura yung isa.
Asan si Dayon? Ay, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Sir, pwede mag-dedicate doon sa biyanan ko? Sabi, hindi pwede. Amateur hour to eh. Hindi o, birthday kasi niya. O sige na nga. Ang kakantay mo.
Look at me.
Devil woman.
Happy Father's Day!
Father's Day! 1, 2... O, tayo naman mga Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Mother's Day! Alam naman sa Mother's Day.
Minsan lang to.
I like that. Kayo mga Mother's Day.